The Stoics believed that we should only concern ourselves with what is within our control. In a small apartment or a cramped studio, what we can control is the footprint of our furniture. We often try to force a large life into a small room, but the wise move is to find tools that adapt to the reality of the space. The TYBOATLE 65-inch Convertible Futon is exactly that, a compact piece of engineering designed for the modern dweller who needs a sofa, a bed, and a charging station all in one 65-inch frame. The beauty of this love seat lies in its lack of pretension. It does not try to be a sprawling sectional. Instead, it offers 3 distinct positions to cater to the rhythm of the day. One can sit upright to focus on work, recline to endure a long film, or drop the backrest entirely for a restful night. It's a transition that takes roughly 10 seconds, turning a living area into a guest room without the need for a renovation. The addition of dual USB ports is a subtle nod to the 21st century, a recognition that our devices often need to be as recharged as we do. It's a convenience that removes one more small friction from daily life. Design-wise, the sofa leans into a simple, sophisticated aesthetic. The tufted linen blend fabric provides a tactile elegance, while the dark gray hue acts as a neutral canvas for any decor. Underneath the skin-friendly fabric sits a solid wood structure supported by oak legs. It is a sturdy foundation, though it sits low to the ground. For those of average height, this proximity to the floor feels intimate and modern. For the taller individual, it is a reminder of the sofa's compact mission. Assembly is often where the relationship between a person and their furniture begins to sour. Yet, this piece respects the owner's time. It is a zero-fuss affair that can be completed in under 20 minutes without a single tear shed over a missing wrench. There is a touch of humor in the design. The arms and hardware are tucked away like a secret zipped into the underside of the seat frame. It is a clever use of space that occasionally leaves people wondering if they received half a box, only to find the missing pieces hidden in the belly of the couch. When it comes to the actual experience of sitting or lying down, there is a distinct firmness to the cushions. This isn't the kind of sofa one sinks into and disappears. It offers a structured support that many find helpful for back pain, though those seeking a cloud-like sleep might find the middle seam a bit tough without the addition of a pillow or a topper. It is a functional comfort, a place to land that prioritizes utility over indulgence. However, no object is without its trials. While the construction is generally solid, there have been instances where the legs face the ultimate test of durability. In the rare case of a structural failure, the true measure of a brand is found in its response. A quick resolution from the support team can turn a frustrating 2-week setback into a story of good service. It serves as a reminder that while we seek perfection in the things we buy, we should value the integrity of the people who sell them even more. For a budget-friendly price, this futon offers a lot of life in a very small package, making it a worthy investment for those who value space and simplicity.